Hey, this is Hans, New Jersey Crane Expert, and today we're looking at our first aid products. We offer 2 products on our website. One is a full OSHA compliant Class A first aid kit that covers everything from splinting, bleeding control, as well as eye wounds. We also have a personal bleed kit for in the tree that can be attached to a climber's harness. Inside of our pouch, we have everything that you're going to need to control a bleed. You can purchase the bleed kit separate, or you can purchase the pouch together. Inside of our first aid kit, we have everything that you're going to need to be compliant on the job site. We have a splinting pouch. Everything is Velcroed in place so you're not losing anything. We have a bleed control kit, and then we also have an eye wound kit. To purchase these products and more, go to NewJerseyCraneExpert.com/shop.